cannot log in your account because password is incorrect. What to do if your computer keeps saying password is incorrect. This video will show you how to bypass login screen on Windows 10 without password. To bypass Windows lock screen, you should use PassFab for WinKey on accessible computer from our website or the link in the description. Now, run PassFab for WinKey and insert a USB. Select the USB and burn it. Then you can check the guide on the interface or just follow us. Insert the USB into the locked laptop. Restart the computer. Press F12 to enter boot menu. Select to boot from the USB. You can see the main interface of PassFab for WinKey. Choose your operating system. Select your locked account. Check Remove Account Password below. Click Next. After a while, the password will be removed. Reboot the computer. You can bypass login screen now.